how to disable recommended videos on YouTube. So if you want to disable recommended videos on YouTube, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your YouTube application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to go with the profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the gear-shaped icon, which will be on the top right. From your gear-shaped icon, it will take you to this kind of interface. You should be able to see a bunch of options. What you're going to do is simply tap on your data in YouTube. Tap on it. You should be able to find that option easily. Just wait for a few seconds and it will take you to your YouTube watch history. Once you find your YouTube watch history, tap on it. Now what you're going to do is tap on Manage History, which will be in the bottom of your screen. Here you're going to delete all of your history up until now. What this does is clear whatever is appearing on your home screen, including your recommended videos on YouTube that you don't want. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.